Welcome to Numero Tech, your gateway to technology and Web3 innovation. Subscribe and hit the notification bell.
Welcome back, and in this video I'm going to show you how you are going to get your OTP. Okay, right now people are complaining that they are not receiving OTP. Yes, because management is trying to change the old bot that we used to receive our OTP to a new bot. All right, so let's go to Telegram. Now when you come to Telegram, you see that this is the recent bot that we used to receive our OTP. Okay, so that is it. That is the mine bittoken bot over here. All right, and then this is the OTP that I've been receiving. Now let's come back to our app, and then let's try to log in, and then let's see if we'll get the OTP. All right, so you click on login. It says OTP has been sent to your Telegram, so check. All right, so let's go and then check. This is our bot. All right, nothing has been received. Okay, nothing has been received. So what we have to do is to come back to the app again. All right, and then read this. Okay, let's read this. It says, didn't receive the code, please click on the button below to chat with the bot on Telegram, and come back here to click resend OTP. Okay, so we will click on bittoken OTP bot 2. all right, so we will click here, and then it will take us to Telegram. All right, now when it takes you to Telegram, what you have to do is to click on the start button over here, and then you click on start. Once you click on start, you don't have to do anything because this is a bot. All right, and you are only using it to receive OTP. Okay, this is used to receive OTP because you could see that in the old bot that we used to receive our codes, you can click on the menu here. All right, and then have you can have all these. All right, all these routines over here, that is help, balance, your referral code. You click to support team, and also your app line info. All right, now let's click on balance and let's see. Okay, you see that it has generated my balance for me. Have you seen it here? It has generated my balance for me. It means it's working. It's not that it's not working, it's working, but this bot is not going to give you OTP again. Listen and listen here carefully. You can use this bot to find anything that you want to find on this chat. All right, but you are not going to use it to receive OTP again. So this bot that we just click on start, you can see that it doesn't have menu, it doesn't have anything over here. So you are using it to receive just OTP. Now let's go back to our app. All right, and then let's click on resend OTP. Now it says we should check our Telegram again, and then now finally let's see where the OTP will be sent to. Is it our old bot or the new one we just activated? You see it here? Have you seen it here? Okay, this is the new OTP we just sent, and then this is the old OTP bot. All right, so you just put in the key, you put in the numbers or the code. Okay, have you seen it as sign in? it has logged in successfully over here. Okay, so that is how you are going to follow to actually get your bot if you are not getting OTP on the old bot that we are receiving now. New bot has been configured in our app to receive OTP. All right, so that one is going to receive only OTP and nothing else, nothing more. And the old bot, you are going to use it to check your balance and also your referral and then support and other stuff as we used to do there. But this new one is only for receiving OTP. Thank you very much for watching and then getting the understanding. Thank you.